We're talking about Old Glory Bank, which is an amazing new bank. It's formed just since basically COVID, with the idea of giving people liberty with their money. We believe in liberty, security, and values. We don't believe economic warfare from our government or private industries against individuals simply because you might believe in making America great again or making America healthy again. We don't think people should be debanked. So we're talking with Eric, and he's describing who helped form Old Glory.
Well, first, thanks again for being interested. When we started talking about early on, it was probably early 2021, talking about the need for what Old Glory Bank has become. We attracted the attention of some very prominent conservatives. Ben Carson and Larry Elder are co-founders of mine in the bank.
They have two good friends of the economic war. I've been on Larry's show multiple times. He's been on our show several times. Dr. Carson is going to be on an upcoming episode of Economic War Room and Private Money Radio because he'll be stopping by. He's a dear friend.
That's great to hear. We can't say enough good things about both of them. And both are on our board, actually. Larry Elder and Ben Carson serve on our board. Country singer John Rich, proud patriot. Is he good?
I haven't met him. You'll have to introduce him.
Okay, would love that. He's also one of our co-founders and very prominent spokesman touting the bank and all of its values. And so we were excited that folks like they all got interested. The former governor of Oklahoma, Mary Fallon Christensen, two-term governor of Republican governor of Oklahoma. Our executive chairman is Bill Shine, who was co-president of Fox News, was president of Fox Business, and served in the previous Trump administration, deputy chief of staff. He's our chairman. So a lot of wonderful folks who helped spread the word that enabled us to go. You mentioned the Old Glory Bank being in position just a few years now. The bank that we bought in Oklahoma was actually established in 1903, 121 years ago.
Wow.
When we closed on its purchase, the current management.
And I think I've heard this story from a banker friend who was in Oklahoma.
Yeah, so we're very proud of that heritage that we were able to blend into. We bought the bank just 2 years ago, renamed it Old Glory Bank, layered a digital branch on top of it. So all the digital mobile online banking capabilities that allowed us in about a 18-month period to go from approximately 250 customers to over 45,000 customers. Every state of the union now represented in our customer base, individuals and businesses who have gone to oldglorybank.com, learned about our accounts, blown away by the technology that we offer. And I mean that, really good mobile app, on par with the B of A's and Chases and Cities of the world. And yet with the values of middle America, great customer service with our onshore in Oklahoma call center. So great people to work with.
You're sounding a little like one of our sponsors, Patriot Mobile, which is
another great organization.
Yeah, another awesome store, and because people were getting canceled on their phone and different things.
Yeah, no, we're fans of them as well.
There were recent releases from House hearings about how we're being spied on. How does that work with Old Glory?
Well, it's pretty egregious what was happening. And it's not just articles and reports. It actually was congressional testimony submitted. Jim Jordan was leading the hearings, where it was actual email exhibits being shared of the major banks. And these are, the top 10 banks control over half of the deposits of the country. But, PNC, Chase, B of A, Wells Fargo, Citi, all the major banks, Key Bank, were cooperating with the government voluntarily, no subpoenas being presented to them, to generate lists of their customers who had done things as innocuous as having shopped at a Cabela's or a Bass Pro Shop and therefore might be a firearms owner.